Hi, this is Dan from Wimwave, Transition Bikes UK. Today I want to show you how to route in a stealth dropper through Transition's Tubes and Tubes system. The dropper post enters through the port at the head tube and runs continuously down the down tube around this tight corner and exits about here. Now this corner here is not a 90-degree corner, it's got a radius in it, but it's still very tight. And this is what I want to show you how to do it. First off, the tube is carbon fibre inside, so it's very dry, so in itself it creates a lot of friction. So the first thing I do is I want to prep that tube. So I just use some multi-spray, anything would do. Give it a quick blast. Next, I'm going to get the cable. This is a mechanical dropper, so it uses a gear outer, so it's very stiff. So with the gear outer, I want to prep it with some grease. Stick the cable into the head tube, follow it down. Now, incidentally, this is a small frame as well, so I wanted to show you something that was really tight. And what you notice, it kind of hits a brick wall. So to do that, I need a little extra hand. There she goes. Okay, now we're around the corner. The next stage, I'm actually going to take the main rocker pivot out. And the reason why I'm going to do this is I want to get maximum access to what's going on inside that seat tube. Okay. So I need to get the cable off the front of the seat tube. And the way I do that is I'll stick Allen key in, put the cable out of the way. Okay, we've got it. We keep pushing. Voila. I'll just push the cable back. Reinstall that main pivot. Just one last thing. I wouldn't normally mount a carbon frame on the top tube in a clamp, but of course we've got to do this job before we get the seat post in, before we can mount the frame safely via the seat post to the clamp. That's it.